Okay, I think we should start with what USDZA and then GBPUSD. But I hope everyone can see my chart. So yeah, let us start with USDZA. Let us make sure that all our microphones are muted. So here, let me just open my hard time frame, which is the 4-hour. So the interesting part in the 4-hour, what we can see is that initially the price was moving very strong in an uptrend, but what we have now, we have this level there, which is like now a barrier blocking the price from going all the way up. Hence seeing price forming a new lower high here and another lower high here. However, on the downside, you can see that it's more like a straight level, which means that the pressure is on the upside going down, yet the sellers, they are standing on, okay, let me see. Yet the sellers, they are being blocked on a single level there. They are struggling to bypass this level. So what I can say right now is that we can take advantage of this that is happening in the market, the formation of higher lows. Here we can see that lower highs. Yo, what is this thing doing, man? We can take advantage of this lower highs, guys, here, because this is more like now in a range. So if price is more like in a range, you know that we buy above and we sell below. I mean, we buy below and we sell above. It's like I'm drunk today. But what we can conclude is that, okay, this is a good selling opportunity at the moment when I'm looking from my my higher time frame. And if we are to look down here, you can see that even our RSI is more like confirming that price is moving down. So it's a good selling opportunity from the higher time frame perspective. But you know that our analysis doesn't end there. Our analysis doesn't end there. So now the next step is going down to a lower time frame so that we can pick a very good entry spot. There we are on a lower time frame. And on the lower time frame, what you can see is that we had an impulsive going down and a corrective and then an impulsive begin. What I can say is that it's still a good time for a sell to be entered here. Why? Because it's just a beginning of another impulsive. So what you can do, we can press the sell buttons here. If your account is very small, or if your risk is very small, you can put your stop loss just above that high there, just somewhere right there. And you know that our target is all the way down closer to that high. Remember, we do not take our profits just that low. We do not take our profit just here, but we take our profit 90 or 80% of the previous wave, meaning somewhere around here, because we are not sure if price is really going to go down to that support level. So here is our target. So we can take your profits almost around there, meaning we need to shift this somewhere to be above there. And if your account is big enough, you can really take this to the next level. Like, let's go to the 4-hour again. This is USDZA. You can take this to the next level by really widening your targets, because you can see that it's still a beginning of a down move. But my chart is not loading. load. So yeah, and guys, make sure that before you press those sell buttons, make sure that everything is in order. Your risk management, confirmation, everything is in order. I really don't know why it is doing this, Lord, but I hope we got the idea. Let me recheck again. I just wanted to show you the next take profit level on the longer time frame, but unfortunately my chart is not loading. Okay, we will return to it. Let us proceed with GBPUSD. When it comes to GBPUSD, this is my higher time frame that I'm opening my 4-hour. So we can see the price movement currently. Let us just spot the structure. Remember guys, the reason I'm leaving this, I think I said I will explain it. Yeah, I said I will explain it. The reason I'm leaving this high here, it is because I'm trying to connect as most highs as possible, because you know as a senior, as a mature trader, you know that a support level or a resistance level, it is not just a line, but it is a region. So that's why when I teach those who are beginning, I tell them that they should draw something like 2 lines just like this, so that they will have an understanding that this is a region, not a line. So never mind that he is drawing his resistance line, he is going through candles. No, I'm trying to connect as many highs as I can. So we can see apparently I don't know even where I'm getting this term. So we can see that price is moving in an upward channel. It is moving in an upward channel. So the thing that we need to ask ourselves is that, is this a corrective move or is this an impulsive move? That's what we should ask ourselves. So here we had this impulsive move, the longest wave going all the way down. So this was a correction, but now the problem about the correction is that this correction is taking long. So if a correction takes long, it is likely that the correction will change into an impulsive wave, because now price is like taking long, moving in an upward move. But now the question is, okay, we are seeing this upward move. When is it the right time to take the buy position to go with this corrective, which is turning into an impulsive? So we can see that now the buyers are starting to come in. If we can go to a lower time frame, there we go. We can see that the buyers are now coming in, and now we need something that will really convince us that, is this a beginning of a buy, or it is just a correction and the price is still going to go all the way down to that level. So here at this spot, I cannot tell you guys that buy now. It is very, very dangerous, because you know that we need to see something like a pattern break. Let me admit these people who are waiting there. We need to see something like a pattern break. So if we can look now, the price is showing signs of breaking this downward channel here, but then we are not sure. Let us see something like what is this thing doing? Let us see something like higher highs and higher lows beginning to be formed here, and then we can guarantee and crown this as a buy. For now on GBP USD, we can wait. We can wait and wait for what I'm telling you guys. Wait for higher highs to be formed to confirm the beginning of an impulsive move. Or if it doesn't go like that, let us wait for price to reach this significant level here, and we can buy confidently. So I can't see your messages, guys, because I was disconnected. So I really don't know which is the next pair. But let me go twice. I remember oil and Nasdaq and gold. Let me go to oil. So okay, this oil trade, it is the trade that I posted on our Alight community, or I think I even posted it on the public group. I think I posted it on the free group, this trade, this oil trade. So now it is very interesting the way it is behaving. It is just behaving the way I analyzed it and the way I anticipated it. So I'm really excited about this move. So yeah, I shared it on the public group. We can see it right over there. I shared it, so it was a wonderful signal. Those who listened, they took it. And even on the Alight community, as usual, we always make money. So it is a trade that is now hitting our take profit. So what I can encourage those guys who took this trade is that, okay, now we can wait for the price to hit the take profit, or you can just close the trade if you are sleeping. So because it is almost there, so it is not good for you to just leave it like this. What if it will then just collapse all the way down from that level, go all the way down without you taking your profit? So if you do not have time to wait for this trade, you can close it now, or you can wait for your TP, watch price as it goes down, because what is important, it is not this target, but it is how price is behaving. So for now, price is behaving very interesting. Even the buyer's momentum is increasing. So we are looking for another buying opportunity in the future. Who is this one now? No speaking here, you just use the keyboard. Okay, we are. Yes. No, I know this one who's speaking is a Nigerian. I can hear the accent. No speaking, guys. So okay, now what we are waiting for, guys? We are waiting for another. Those who didn't take it, those who are in the Alight. Jesus Christ! Those who are in the Alight community, I will alert you guys on when to buy it again. As always, I will analyze it. So, but we are currently waiting for something like this, where the price will enter in a corrective wave, and we see a pattern like this. Then after the pattern break, we buy again. So those who are in the Alight community, they are on the safe side. Those who are in the public group, I will post. If it's possible, I will post if it's possible, because I want to create the difference between the free group and the paid group. So let's go. What they said, GBPUSD and then gold and then Nasdaq. GBPUSD. So guys, it's just simple. Guys, let me not be busy muting people. Let us all be matured and let us just switch off our microphones. There is no need to speak. If you see your microphone on, just switch it off. For hours. So you can see how I really check my charts. I always start on the 4 hour. I don't do a mistake of starting on the 30 minutes or what. So I hope we are learning from that, because this is for educational purposes at the end of the day. So we have this wonderful move here, which is a range. So you know what we do in a range: we sell and we buy below. So the price is currently on a range. So if you are a trader who's trading from the high time frames, it is really still good for you to take this as a sell, because your stop loss will be wide, it will be up there. It is still good to take this as a sell. But if you are not trading on a high time frame, I will encourage you that let us go with you on the lower time frame to really look for a good selling opportunity. Let me read this message. Please analyze gold too. Yeah, we are going to gold, don't worry. So what I can say now is that, okay, if you decide to sell here, your stop loss should be up there. Let us just look closer to the price, closer. So the interesting part is that remember I once spoke about something which is called patterns within a pattern. So the interesting part now is that, okay, inside this pattern, which is a down move inside the range. So in this down move, you know that we are expecting corrective, impulsive, corrective, impulsive. So now the price is correct in a corrective. So that's where we want the price. We want the price to be in a corrective, then we will enter. So now the interesting part is that price is in a corrective. So if it's in a corrective, it's a good time for us to look for a selling opportunity, because a corrective resembles buyers. So if we see buyers in the market, we can boldly sell because there are people whom we can sell to. So now there are buyers, then it is very, very good for us to look for a selling opportunity. So that's why I say it is still the right time to enter this one as a sell, and you really need to know that your stop loss is going to be very, very far. But if your account is very, very small, remember about the risk management. I told you that if you see that this is a high risk trade like this one, we are very, very late. We are supposed to enter it somewhere here, but we are entering it somewhere here. So we are late. If we are late, cut down your lot size. If you're using 0.02, just cut it to 0.01, because now your stop loss is gonna be far than normal. Because if we entered here, it was clear that our stop loss was going to be above this shoulder, because we see that we have a shoulder, we have a head, and we have a shoulder again, which is a head and shoulder pattern. But now here we are very, very fast, so we need to cut our risk to just pay this late entry that we are taking. I hope it is making sense. A good selling opportunity for both those trading in the lower time frame and those trading in the higher time frame. Let us go to gold. We are also trading gold in the Alight community today. So yeah, we bought gold early in the morning in the paid membership. So yeah, the price is still on profit, but I was currently waiting for this meeting, because I knew that we were going to discuss this, just to give direction to the guys on the Alight community on what to do now. So okay, what you can see here is that okay, we've been trading gold the whole of last week. I hope you guys you've seen the result for last week. We only lost one trade, and we had a 92% win rate just in a single week. So we've been trading this for the whole of last week, and if you can see properly, let me just show you the hard time frame. If you can see properly, we started buying this and we started selling it again, and now we are buying it again. So when we sell, it was this our first target, we take the profit, and the second target we didn't reach it, but we took the profit even down here. So we've been selling it last week, and now we are buying it because it is looking like continuing with its impulsive move, which is the overall up move. So now currently what I can say now is that remember, our trading is not based on lines or targets, but our trading is based on price movement. It is based on price movement. Let me remove this for now, just for analytical purposes. So okay, let me place this there. Okay, it was there. So now what you can see now, you can see that okay, in this upward move, it is still on the formation, but on the 1 hour you can see that there is now delay coming in, or the price is now slowing down. You can see that the price is slowing down. If you can draw like an arc or how it is moving, you can see that it is moving like going, it is about to go all the way down. I don't say it is going to go down, but I'm trying to show you that it is slowing down. It is really slowing down. So if price is slowing down like this is something that we do not want. I hope those who are in the Alight, they are paying attention, because we took this trade. It is something that we do not like, because you can see that here we had a very big impulsive and a corrective and an impulsive which encouraged us to buy, and then this impulsive became smaller than the previous one. It became smaller, meaning the momentum is going down, and a corrective and then an impulsive which is struggling. So it really shows us that now there are signs of struggle in momentum. Now here is the solution. To those who bought with a big account, you can still hold. To those who are really shaky with their account, you can close those small profits. It's not a problem. So to those who didn't take it, no talking guys. To those who didn't take it, you have to wait for another sign of a buying pressure. You see, buying pressure. Maybe for an example, whereby the price will break this sort of movement and show us signs of interest, like in this wave here. So let's say just the price encouragingly goes up like this. Maybe somewhere around here you can press your buys, but for now just relax about gold. Those who took it, small accounts, close small profits. Big accounts, relax and wait. What did you mean result in account percentage? Okay, I mean, like, do you know that we risk 1% to make 4%, something like that. So let's say I have an account of $1,000. So result in account percentage, when I say 9, I mean that it is 9% of $1,000. When I say 3, I mean it's 3% of $900. You see, because I set everything based on my account, the take profit and the stop loss. You see, so I grade it like that. Account percentage meaning the account that I'm using, which is yeah, I hope it is making sense. Let us go to what Nasdaq. I told you guys that I really miss Nasdaq. Actually I don't think I will trade it. I will trade it so soon. I mean soon. I can analyze it and just teach. Yeah, like account growth 92% in 1 week. 92%. It's like doubling. It's doubling an account in 1 week. That's what we do. Remember, I said the target is to make not less than 300% in 3 months. I mean in 2 months, but now we have made almost 100% in 1 week. So you see that we are really working, and you can see we took 10 trades. It's not about how many trades you take, it's about the quality. You can take 50 trades and blow your account, yet taking 2 trades and tripling your account. I can't find the Nasdaq here, guys. So the reason I stopped trading Nasdaq, but I analyze it for students and those who follow us, but I don't trade it because I have a lot of volatile assets. Okay, thanks, because I wanna join soon. I have a lot of volatile assets like DXT, Bitcoin USD, gold and oil. So I really don't see the space for Nasdaq there, because it's not about trading volatile assets all the way, but you also need to understand that you need to be on the safe side. If you have 2 or 1 volatile asset, it's really fine. Guys, I can't find Nasdaq here. Okay, I think I found it. Is this Nasdaq or it's something else? I really don't have a chart for Nasdaq. Someone who can save us before I analyze a different Nasdaq. You know, I'm in love with week 75. Let's pay a visit. People of God, please. Okay, please, someone save us. Is this Nasdaq or what? The one who said let us analyze Nasdaq. It's Nasdaq. Thank you, Tip. Okay, Nasdaq is interesting. So what can we do here? Okay, let me just plot out what is visible. This breakout of this upward channel here, it was broken all the way down, but that didn't mean that it's a beginning of a downward move. Let me just check the 4 hour. So chart started 4 hour. Yeah, that's where I'm going. So okay, if we are to look at the 4 hour, what is happening now is that okay, it seems like price is resuming its initial move, which is the downward move, I mean the upward move, the upward move. So now what you can say is that okay, even if now you can see that okay, there is nothing maybe in terms of lines or what that you can connect, but what I can say is that this doesn't disqualify this as a buying opportunity, because it's an uptrend. So if it's an uptrend and we see such an impulsive move coming in, it is guaranteed that this is not a corrective. It is not a corrective. So if it's not a corrective, it's an impulsive, and if it's an impulsive, we're looking forward to trade it without any fear. So yeah, the reason I said it is interesting, it is just a clear buying opportunity, very clear buying opportunity. So but then you need to be very careful. You need to be very careful in terms of your stop loss and your targets. You see, I can tell you that okay, don't make your targets to be all the way up there, because I really doubt if the price is just going to push just smoothly up there. Maybe it will push and blow somewhere here and then come back like this. So don't put your target up there, rather put your target somewhere around this level here. So it's a small target. If it's a small target, then your stop loss, it can be below, just below this. What language is that one? Okay, let us continue. So you can put your stop loss here and then your targets up where? Yeah, so below that level, around this level. What is this thing now? Around this level there. So that's where your targets can be. Stop loss here. Where is this thing? Just like this. So it's not a good risk reward, but it's good. But I want you to pay attention to when price reaches this level. If price reaches this level, still powerfully going up, don't close your profits. Rather scale in, add more position, because it is then guaranteed that price will be blocked up there. So yeah, I hope it is making sense. And yeah, that's it for today's analysis.